I'm about to fart. I just realized that there's a in my back. I'm sorry.
No, are you serious? Now, that I said was a diving board is obviously a zip line. I can see now. And that looks quite scary. That's quite high up. So, not for the faint-hearted, I guess. So the actual hot springs are on this side. Oh my God, it's raining again. Right, just decided I'm going to have a coffee. We've been here about 2 hours, I think now. It's absolutely fantastic here. It's definitely somewhere I'm coming again. It's some later date. The girls seem to be enjoying it as well. I mean, look at that. How brilliant's that? They are zip lines, like I said, by the way, but they're shut down at the minute for some reason, I believe. Don't know why. Otherwise I'd have had a go. And this time not scream like a girl. But it's been absolutely brilliant so far. I mean, look at that in the background. How great is that? My God, I've just dropped my GoPro on the floor from about a good 5 feet. And it's still working. How lucky am I? Can't believe it. But time's getting on now. I think we're gonna just have one more dip in the hot spa, and then we're off, I think. But it's been absolutely great. I've got a budget video due, but I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to do it, because as I speak now, obviously you'll have noticed I've disappeared again for a few days, and it's going to be a while before this video is posted, so it'll be the first video I've posted for a while. But this is spot on. I'd recommend this place to anybody, and like I say, I'm definitely coming again. It's so cool here. I'm just going to take the camera off the gimbal so I can point it down, because I'm not sure if you can see it. So here we go. Gimbal's just come on again. So look at that. I'll drop the gimbal. And there we go. Gimbal's back on again. So yeah, budget video. It's going to be a hard one actually, because I know I've blown it. I know I've blown it big style with recent events, so it's going to be a hard one to swallow, I think, this time. But we'll do it, and we'll see how much I'm over. But I think there's a lot of changes coming soon. For the better, obviously, well, as far as I'm concerned. So that's it for now. I may do a little bit more in a bit, but if that's it, then that's it for now, which doesn't make any sense, so this will be edited out. Right, I thought this was an ordinary zip line, but it's not. I hope you can see, but they're like on bikes, and it's not a zip line like what goes downhill, it's a zip line that goes uphill, and they've got to get to that top bit. Now the video is going to be a bit wobbly because I've not got it on the gimbal because I'm pointing up. I'm not sure if I need to do it, but you know, I've took it off the gimbal anyway.
I will die.
So
I will die.
there you go, they're on a bike. They've got a helmet on, which is quite interesting because if they fall, I don't think that helmet's going to do the head much good, do you? Because that guy, it looks like it's not even on tight enough. So they're preparing to go. I don't think she's very happy, to be honest. There you go, he's off anyway. I don't know if you can see, but there's a strap actually holding them onto the bike, and obviously the bike to the zip line. That's quite crazy, that.